Hi, I'd like to take a moment to welcome you to a very non-traditional back to school night. And just like to introduce myself briefly and talk a little bit about the classes I currently teach. My name is Leslie Brown, and this is my 19th year teaching at Spring Grove. A little bit about me. I grew up in the area, well, sort of. I went to Camp Hill, which is up by Harrisburg, and I attended the University of Pittsburgh and the University College in Cork, Ireland, where I studied archaeology, and then I got a master's degree at Penn State University. I don't officially have a history degree, but I have a social science degree in anthropology, and I adore history, so it was a perfect fit for me. I have a 13-year-old son named Gage, and he is in 8th grade at Northern Middle School in the Northern York School District. And when I'm not teaching, I can be found doing all sorts of things, including but not limited to travel, reading. I've recently taught myself how to golf, and I love it. And I just pretty much like to learn a little bit about everything. And here is me and my kid. So the class that I teach probably the most of in terms of number of students is U.S. History 1. And U.S. History 1 is a typical survey history class in that we will start with the creation of the country and the Constitution, and we'll take it all the way through the Civil War, and then we'll put the country back together with Reconstruction. And we take a lot of time to look at not only the historical events that are taking place, but also the social movements that helped shape our country. A lot of concerns in this year happen because a lot of 9th graders take this course, and sometimes freshmen have trouble transitioning from the middle school to the high school. So encourage them to keep up on their assignments. It's pretty easy to do now with the online programs like the Sapphire program and also Schoology. We will be using Schoology a lot, and almost every single thing that I do in my classroom will be posted on Schoology. So that way, whether they're a face-to-face learner or a distance learner, everything is at your disposal. And also our textbook that we're using this year is online, so there's no need to lug a book back and forth. And you can see that the class will consist of all sorts of grades. It's a pretty traditional class. There are some of the people we will be talking about this year, among many others. The other course that I teach is primarily to upperclassmen, and that is AP World History. It's a survey course also, and it covers the history of the world from approximately 1000 AD to present. We also are going to spend some time looking at older history because it's very hard to look at the events of today without taking into account how we got here. And so we won't spend much time on the history of North America per se, but when we do, it has to do with our relationship in the context of the larger world. Some of the topics that we'll cover, you can see here. Basically, we're going to look at the development of societies and cultures and their growth, and also the spread across the world. It's a super interesting course, and of course I'm biased because I teach it, but it's really nice, and I think a lot of students enjoy the chance to get away from US history just for 1 year and to look at something else. A couple concerns about AP is one, that it's a really rigorous course. For my remote learners who are doing this, you're going to have to be pretty self-disciplined because it does require a lot of writing and a lot of reading, much of which we'll do in the classroom, and you just won't have quite the same ability to talk to your peers, though we're going to try our best to make sure that we have Zoom sessions and all of that. Ultimately, the goal is to do well on the exam in May. And if I could just brag a little bit, my students last year crushed it on the exam. They did outstanding. So any concerns for me can be directed either to my phone number, which is 717-225-4731, and that's extension 7344, or you can email me at brownl@sgasd.org. So, thanks for watching my screencast, and if you have any questions at all or concerns, please feel free to reach out. Thanks, bye.